Good morning. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the replay. How y'all doing? I'm in a very delightfully bright outfit this morning. I was feeling, I was gonna say festive, but I don't know what festival I would be celebrating at the moment. Anyway, how is everyone? How are you guys? I'm doing fantastic. Oh boy. It's a good morning. Guess who knows how to cook? Not me. It's it. No, I'm sure you can cook something. Everyone can cook something. We're gonna turn our oven on because we're gonna need some heat, y'all. Hey, Chemo, how you doing? Hey, Miggities. How you doing? Oh man, we got a good crew going so far. I like it. I like it. It's Sweet Sunday, my friends. Oh, you're too lazy to join us? Don't worry about it. You never have to apologize for not joining, man. I appreciate when you do join. I don't get mad when you don't. Hey man, people got things to do. I don't watch a whole ton of Twitch. There's a couple people I watch. But, you know, there's other people I'd like to watch more of. But, you know, sometimes there's other things you want to do. Maybe you were playing Valorant. I don't know. Maybe you were playing Fortnite. I respect that. Top of the morning to you, Brian. Hey, Aktuko Toast. How you doing? How's my toasty homies? How are my toasty homies? How y'all doing? I need to grab something off a shipping device. Like an iPad or... Hello, hey Northwestern Socialist, how you doing? I was playing Fortnite and Apex. There you go. PD knows. Hey man, respect. I gotta play more Fortnite. My Fortnite skills are getting weak. Weak as hell. Oh, who do we got now? Hey, Salty, how you doing? Lewis is alive. How you doing, bro? Glad to hear that you are indeed alive. I'm assuming you're Lewis. My green onions need a little bit of trimming here. Probably need some fresh water too, but we'll do that later. Now, why haven't the number of viewers on the chat caught up to the old thing there? That's so funny that the viewer count has not caught up. Good morning, Tammy. Oh, we gotta give Teddy a treat. You want to see me chugging eggs, so you're saving for 50,000. Okay, let me go get my dog and get a piece of cheese here first. Okay.